And our top focus in WION right now is from Pakistan. Former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has been facing an uphill battle in the court. The hearing for the Cipher or the state secrets case is approaching its conclusion, with final arguments due to be delivered in just a few hours from now. PTI chief Imran Khan and Pakistan's former foreign minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi are accused of revealing state secrets. The trial is being held at the Adalia prison, where the duo is jailed. After a 14-hour-long hearing on Monday, Imran and Qureshi were handed over a document comprising 36 questions. Once they respond, the final arguments will be made in the case and the verdict will be reserved. The trial is set to resume at 10 a.m. local time. Imran has repeatedly called the trial politically motivated. Shortly after being ousted from power in 2022, Imran Khan was seen waving a document at a public gathering. He touted the letter as a proof of being ousted from power as a part of a US conspiracy backed by the powerful military establishment. Both Washington and Pakistan officials denied the claim. Imran Khan and his PTI party has suffered massive crackdown beginning in May last year. The former Prime Minister has been barred from contesting the upcoming elections. His party's electoral symbol has been snatched away by the Election Commission as well. The verdict in the Cipher case may be the last nail in the coffin for Imran and his Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party's political career. Pakistan's Official Secrets Act carries with it a maximum imprisonment of 14 years in cases where state secrets are shared with non-authorized people. The Act also contains provisions for handing out a death penalty. If convicted, Imran Khan and his party may be barred from contesting the polls for years, virtually ending their political journeys. And for more on this, our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik is joining us on the phone line from Islamabad. A very good morning to you, Anas. Now, Imran Khan's hearing under Official Secrets Act is in its last leg. Talk to us as to what's next for the former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan.
Well, what's next is really interesting. Yesterday, there was a marathon hearing. And this trial has been going on for a while now. It has been struck down twice by the Islamabad High Court because of procedural matters. And now this is the third time that this trial has, that Imran Khan has been charge sheeted, and now this trial is proceeding. Yesterday there was a 14-hour-long marathon hearing inside the Adiala jail. And Imran Khan and Shah Mahmood Qureshi have had quite of an exchange with the judge, with the defense lawyers, primarily because their own appointed defense lawyers had failed to show up not once but twice, and as a consequence of which the judge had given them, had snatched their right to their own choice of defense lawyer and had appointed a state counsel. It would not be wrong to say Imran Khan had refused to pursue the case through a state counsel, calling it as a fixed match. That being said, yesterday there was a cross-examination on 11 witnesses, completing the cross-examination on all the 25 witnesses of the federal government in the Cipher saga, in the Cipher case. As a consequence of which the cross-examination stands completed. Today, the questionnaire last night the questionnaire was handed over to Imran Khan and Shah Mahmood Qureshi. The questionnaire has to be responded to by them, and we're expecting that to be done sometime today, after which Imran Khan and Shah Mahmood Qureshi's statement under the section 342 of the Criminal Procedure Code will be recorded. Then the final arguments will be done from their side or from their lawyer's side, and the judgment will be reserved. So the next 24 to 48 hours are literally very crucial and critical, because in case if convicted, they can be sentenced to somewhere between 7 years to 14 years, or in case of a harsher penalty, that could also lead to a death sentence as well. Resha?
Right, Anas, you have given us an outline of how crucial the next 24 to 48 hours is for the former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan. But talk to us, if Imran Khan is convicted, how will that affect PTI's bid in the upcoming elections? We know that Imran Khan and his PTI party, they have suffered massive crackdown since last year.
Well, in case if they're convicted, they're virtually knocked out of the polls, but they're still there as a party. That being said, their party members are now being forced to run as independent candidates with not on a uniform electoral symbol. So in case if Imran Khan stands convicted, this party will virtually be decimated. That being said, that gives a window or opens a window for these independent candidates to shift allegiances, to go on and join other parties. Of course, that could be a bigger blow, but virtually that means Imran Khan's party would be non-existent, and for the electoral process, that would also lead, as a consequence of which, it would lead to raising a lot of questions on the impartiality of the polls, something that the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has been raising time and again, calling for a level playing field. But in case if the conviction happens and we see these people changing, or these candidates changing their loyalties, then that, as I said, would raise a lot of doubts, questions with regards to the credibility and impartiality of the elections and the nature of these elections. And going forward, that can also cause hindrances for the newly elected Pakistani government come the 8th of February or after the 8th of February within the international community. Resha?
Right, Anas, we'll of course be tracking the Cipher case verdict very closely here on WION, but thanks very much for joining us here right now.